All right, ladies and gentlemen, still on the matter concerning our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, and what transpired in the court today regarding his um, ongoing, uh, regarding the ongoing injustice uh, being meted out on him and all the Biafrans all over the world. All right, as you all may have it, last week, our leader sacked all his uh, lawyers, all his counsels. He sacked all of them, saying that he was going to defend himself starting from that last week. That he was going to start defending himself in the court. That he don't need any lawyer again to defend him. So and on there was a court case on Friday where he also told the judge, the Omotosho, that his lawyers or his former lawyers, his former counsels, that they have not handed over the case files to him, and the judge um, moved an adjourned the case to today, the 27th of October 2025. But in the court today, our leader told Justice Omotosho that that after going through the case file, after studying the case file, that he just realized that he do not have any case to answer. That he just realized that federal government of Nigeria does not have any case against him. And having said that, the judge told him that he should put uh, his decision in writing, that he should write and sign it, in the next sitting. And the case was adjourned to 4th, 5th, and 6th of November. That's their next adjournment dates. But do not forget that the last week, um, our leader mentioned some top politicians' names as his witness. Which Nigeria, ever since he mentioned the names, Nigerian and the Nigerian federal government and the APC government, they have been in panic. They have been shaking, um, regarding the names that he mentioned, like names like the present governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, uh, current governor of Imo State, being Uzodinma Hope. And again, he also mentioned former governor of Abia State, Orji Uzor, and even current minister of FCT, in the person of Wike, and so many other names that he mentioned. So the whole country, especially the enemies of Biafra and enemies of IPOB and enemies of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they have been in panic. They have been in panic regarding the whole case, regarding the turn of event. And again today, our leader also threw them into deeper confusion, into deeper disarray, by saying that he do not actually have any case to answer in the court, that the court lack the jurisdiction, that the court lack the power, to try him in any court in Nigeria, that there's no court in Nigeria that has the power to judge or try his case. That all the allegations leveled against him, that they actually said he committed them outside the shore of Nigeria. So they don't have that power. The case was not committed in the jurisdiction of Nigeria or his or her courts. So, having said that, um, Justice Omotosho moved an adjournment to 4th, 5th, and 6th of November for the case to continue. And he further advised our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, to consult experts, in that field so that he will not make any mistake, so that he will actually understand what he's doing and what he's about to do. All right, having said that, our leader is actually the one in position to advise the judge. Yes, because you know, former President Goodluck Jonathan once said that you can actually wake someone who is actually sleeping, who is really sleeping, But for one who is pretending to be asleep, you can never wake that person up from that sleep. Because the person is not sleeping. The person is pretending to be sleeping. So this Justice Omotosho, it's not as if that they don't know the law. It's not as if they don't know the right things to be done all this while. You can't keep someone in detention for more than 4 years now, and you are still parabulenting up and down, moving up and down, as in you don't. Are you saying you don't know what to do? They know what to do, but they just want to, like they rightly said, that justice delay is justice denied. So they have already denied our leader justice, and now they have lost all the excuses. They don't know what to do or what to say again. So now our leader is holding them to a ransom, and the whole world is watching. And like our one of the senators from Delta State, Ned Nwoko, he was granted an interview. He granted an interview, I think, 2 days ago. And he said that the insecurity in the southeast is being caused by two things. One, that southeast, among all the zones in this political zones in this geopolitical zones in this country, that southeast is still the only one having 5 states, while others have 6, and one state have 7. One geopolitical zone have 7 states. So that one. Then two, he said that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's detention is actually injustice. That is keeping him there has been unjust. So all these things, a lot of people have been saying things. Even APC members have been kicking against the detention of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and also they have been advising President Tinubu to unconditionally free our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So our people, as we promised that we are going to bring you the update, and that is what we are doing always. That is what we are always doing, to bring you the update of the happenings concerning the case of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All right, if this is the first time you are coming across Afris Concept TV, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more news. And always tell us your opinion, tell us your mind through the comment section. Tell us, we want to know your mind. Is a case that belongs to all of us, so all of us has to contribute in it. So tell us your own opinion using the comment section, and stay tuned till when we come again with another update or another news concerning our leader.
People of
Bye.
Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu arrives at the courtroom of Justice James Omotosho, where he is expected to open his defense in the ongoing trial on alleged terrorism instituted against him by the federal government. He exchanges pleasantries with his lawyers and well-wishers. Conspicuously absent is his younger brother and one of his counsel, Alo Ejimako, who were arrested on allegations of criminal conspiracy and disregard for court order. However, Mr. Kanu could not open his defense as ordered by the court because he had sacked all his lawyers. He informs the court of his plan to conduct his case by himself. Following his announcement, Justice Omotosho then ordered members of the defendant's legal team who were in court, except the senior advocates of Nigeria, to vacate the courtroom immediately. He subsequently asked Mr. Kanu to open his case. Kanu commenced his defense by arguing the jurisdiction of the court to conduct his trial. He was subsequently overruled by the judge, who insisted that he must proceed with his defense. At this point, one of his former lawyers intervened, praying the court to grant Mr. Kanu some time to gather his thoughts and compose himself for the task ahead. Counsel for the prosecution, Mr. Adegboyega Awomolo, did not object to this submission. The lawyers react to their withdrawal from the case.
A number of us who have been defending Nnamdi, he has decided to conduct his defense by himself. He has a right to do so. We respect that decision, and we wish him well going forward. That's all.
Justice James Omotosho has adjourned the case to Friday, October 24th.